Hey guys, welcome to a day in the life of a uni student featuring the iPad Air. My model is the 11-inch iPad Air, and as for accessories, I've paired it with the Apple Pencil Pro and the Apple Magic Keyboard. I'll be using the iPad Air throughout the day, kind of doing a battery test on iPadOS 26. Notably, I do have a instrumentation and control midterm coming up tomorrow, so I'll be doing a lot of studying for that. I have an electricity lab in 20 minutes, and then I think I'm going to spend the rest of the day just studying and doing work. Right now I'm walking to school, but I checked my backpack and the iPad is at 100%. For context, my iPad has a maximum capacity of 100% and it has 82 cycles on the battery. And I'm pretty sure at the time of filming this, my iPad was on iPadOS 26.1. I biked to my electricity lab and the sunrise was absolutely gorgeous. I got to my lab really early, so I just sat down and did some work. Or at least I planned to, until my iPad's lock screen started tweaking. Bruh. I refreshed my iPad's home screen setup based on this cool post I found on the internet, and then I started studying. Here's a sneak peek of the instrumentation content that I have to study for tomorrow's test at 8:30 a.m. So this is the lab I'm doing today. Bipolar junction transistors. It's 8:18 and we're still at 100%. Fun. Lightning bolt shoot from my fingertip! The professor eventually came and opened the door to the lab, so I went in and got ready to set everything up. I started by finding all of the resistors I needed for the circuit. Alright, we're gonna start the lab. He explained some of the lab. 8:57 and it's 93%, and it was just sitting here for like half an hour. Task 1. Gotta build this thing. 904, it's 91%. Yippee. Alright, built the circuit. It's this. Did we build it correctly? We'll find out. 911, 89%. Yo, the battery life? I didn't realize. Look at doo-doo. It's 87% already. It's just been sitting here with good notes. Bro, what? It's not even 6.7. Still in the electricity lab. On task 3 now, building that circuit. It is at 68%, 10:24 a.m. My good notes is tweaking. We're at 57%. It's 10:53, brother. We're on the final task of the lab. It is, buddy, it is 11:12 a.m. and we are at 50%. Low-key confused on how to do this part, but we'll figure something out. Finish the lab. Let's get some food. I'm starving. It's 11:20. My iPad's in my backpack, but I don't think the battery life is looking too good. We headed out to get some food at Quick Chick, but then... Never mind. It would have taken 25 minutes for them to make the chicken, so we're gonna just find somewhere else to eat. It's so nice today, holy. We walked over to the student center and I got some teriyaki chicken. He got the same thing. After eating, I headed over to the library so I could study for my test that I would be taking the day after. At 12:08, the iPad was at 47%. Sometimes when I really want to lock in, I like using this matte paper screen protector. It's magnetic so I can take it off when I don't want to use it. I spent some time studying for instrumentation, mostly looking at the previous midterm the professor posted and taking notes on that. After about an hour, it was 104 and we were at 33%. I took a break from instrumentation by doing my lab report for electricity. At this point, it was 1:13 p.m. and the battery was at 31% on the iPad. I switched gears back to instrumentation and at 1:43 the battery was at 28%. I use this app called Focus Pomo to track the time I spend studying, not sponsored or anything, I just think it's really cool. I spent some more time taking notes and doing work and stuff. I don't really know what to say for this voiceover, it's just a time lapse. Finished the Pomodoro, it's 2:29 p.m. We're at 16%, iPad's probably gonna die soon. Let's break. Probably gonna continue working on the electricity lab report. At 3:05, my iPad dropped down to 10%. I kept grinding away until I had to plug my iPad in. At 3:18, I was at 5% and I decided to plug the iPad in. Over the entire day, I had 6 hours and 31 minutes of use, but if we're only counting from 100% down to the current percentage, one charge, then we only got about 5 hours and 31 minutes since I used the iPad for about an hour before I started this test at 100%. So that concludes our battery test. I took off my paper feel screen protector and I watched some MKBHD while I waited for my iPad to charge. I also charged myself by eating a few granola bars. After my little break, I worked on my electricity lab report some more. I had to create some graphs in Excel. When the iPad was at 74%, I took it off the charger to charge my Mac. Alrighty, pretty much finished the lab report, just need to add the pre-lab calculations. 505, we're at 74%. It's so beautiful right now. This is gonna be the most boring vlog I've made in a hot minute because it's just the whole day. This is gonna be me studying. I'm gonna go home and make food, and then I'm gonna do some more studying. I might actually just come back to the same library and do more studying because midterm tomorrow, yippee! I might actually combine today and tomorrow into one vlog. Damn, that is a beautiful view. Holy. Alright, I'm home. I'm probably gonna do some SolidWorks now. I have a SolidWorks assignment due tonight, and it's 5:54, so I got about 6 hours to do that. Shouldn't take more than 1 or 2 hours. Then after that, I'm gonna keep working on that electricity lab report. I'm gonna keep working and studying on instrumentation, but right now I'm probably not gonna be using the iPad that much, just because SolidWorks is all on the PC. So I'll probably have the PC and the MacBook open. I might have the iPad open as well, just to look at the assignment. But yeah, SolidWorks is mostly a PC type of task. Wow, look at this cool time lapse. We made the part. We made the part. Yippee. We're literally just gonna cook some pasta, honestly. Got my pasta, got my Demon Slayer, gonna eat this, then back to the locking in. It's 7:37. I'm gonna try to sleep at 12 so I can get a good night's sleep for the midterm. My food. Right now I'm working on fixing my pre-lab for electricity. Then I'm gonna slap it in the lab report and then submit it hopefully by 9 o'clock. Then I'm gonna probably do CAD till 9:30 to 10-ish, and then I'm gonna probably work on instrumentation for the rest of the night.
你好嘛，我是飞的好朋友，好朋友，我是飞的兄弟，我是快兄弟。
Taking a break from studying and work to do my dishes.
我的兄弟。
Alright, it is 10:15 p.m. I finished the electricity lab report. Probably gonna submit it now and then finish and wrap up CAD. Alright, we are done the SolidWorks assignment. I submitted that. It's 5%, 11:11 p.m. Make a wish. Now all I have to do...
TBC 360 song.
That's crazy. All I gotta do now is study for instrumentation, but first I gotta shower. Alright, I'm pretty much done getting ready for bed, so now I'm gonna lock in, do work on my iPad until I feel sleepy or until it hits like 1 p.m. or something. Not p.m. a.m. My goal is to completely look over that practice test, and I'll wake up around 7. The plan is to wake up at 7, eat breakfast, and then do the exam. The exam is at 8:30 a.m. and it's 90 minutes, so hopefully it's not too bad. But just gotta prepare, I guess. Right now it's in the Magic Keyboard case, but I'm actually gonna switch it over to the Moth Dynamic Folio. There we go. It's time to lock in. I've run out of things to say for these time-lapse voiceovers, so let's just talk about tea versus coffee. I like tea, but I gotta go with coffee for that energy boost. Alrighty, it is 12:43 and we're at 19%. I don't know why I'm still doing battery updates. I gave up on the battery test a while ago. Did some more studying, more practice questions. I'm gonna take a break now and then maybe do some more studying after that. Probably go to bed soon, so this will be my last update for today. So I'm probably gonna have tomorrow in this video as well, because today I just mostly did work. It was kind of a boring day in the life. So hopefully tomorrow will be more exciting. But yeah, I'm gonna chill, do some more work, go to sleep hopefully before 2. It is 12:45 right now, and then wake up at 7. So see you in the morning. All right, it is 7 a.m. Look at that beauty of the sunrise. Alrighty, we're all ready to head out. It is 7:23 right now, and the exam's at 8:30. Got about an hour left. Sky looks really nice still. Am I ready? We shall see. We'll see in an hour. I headed over to the building my test was in, and I got there early, so I chilled in the atrium for a bit to study. I'm literally just gonna go over my notes and then probably look over the slides because I literally have like less than an hour, pretty much 50 minutes. So time to lock in. I will see you guys after the exam.
One
Test
later.
Okay, test was not too bad. It was pretty much like the practice test, so yeah. I got a quick bite and started on my next lab report for electricity. This is the report I have to write for the lab I did the day before. Alright, we're gonna head to Chem Eng now.
Solve TDC.
Now we've got to head to business and then we're done for the week. Just 1 hour of lectures left. Whoa. Wow. It represents the downward spiral students go to.
Standards. We have a lot of other.
We're done class. I'm gonna find my friend and I don't know, we might go to Canada Computers. Alright, so I've been eyeing the Bamboo Lab Black Friday deal for a while now, and a store near me, a Canada Computers near me, has one in stock. I'm gonna go to Burlington, I think, with a few of my friends. We're gonna go get the 3D printer, and we are going to also get Jollibee. I'm really excited. I've been eyeing the deal for a while. I think today's the day to pull the trigger. Also, I don't have another midterm till next Wednesday, and I have today and all weekend to pretty much just tinker with it. I also did a lot of my work beforehand, so I got a lot of free time. I went with a few of my friends to check out the campus store for like merch and stuff. 87. 87. We were able to call and we got the printer on hold, so we're just gonna go pick it up. Yippee. It's his first time on a bike. Oh, he's zooming. We're at Chick-fil-A now. There's no Jollibee in Burlington, unfortunately.
There's no Jollibee.
Oh yeah, what are you gonna get? Chick-fil-A. Motion activated door. Oh, there we go. Alrighty, time to go to Canada Computers. Alright.
Welcome to Canada Computers.
Bamboo A1 with the AMS. Alright, we got the printer in the back. Time to go home and set this bad boy up. Alright, I'm back home now. Got the 3D printer set up right here. So, some background. I have a 3D printer. This is the Voxelab Aquila D1, and it's an okay printer. It taught me a lot about 3D printing, but I got a Bamboo Lab because they're known for their reliability, super easy to plug and play. And as an engineer student, I want to build a bunch of cool projects, like print out my CAD designs and stuff. And the Bamboo Lab will let me do that, and it'll be very reliable while it does that. It's just very easy to use. So that's why I got the Bamboo Lab printer. Anyways, I'm going to go set this 3D printer up. I'm probably going to use my iPad's front camera as a way to shoot the time lapse of me unboxing the 3D printer. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this 2-day in the life vlog of a uni student at McMaster University. It started out featuring the iPad, and then it just kind of became a regular vlog because I realized the first day was pretty much just me studying. So hopefully you enjoyed this format of video. I'm gonna go set up my A1 now. Be sure to stick around for some more Apple related content and more tech content, more student type content, and probably some 3D printer content as well. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. Again, thank you guys for watching. Be awesome and stay techie. Bye. Bye. All right, it's printer time. I literally didn't have any plan to make an iPad Air vlog today. And then I was literally just like, as I was walking to school, I was like, huh, it might be cool to do a vlog for the iPad Air. There we go. Oh, shoot. Whoa. This is so cool, bro. Ooh.